If you want to learn SQL, the place to start is the simple select statement. SQL in simple English. The select statement. Look at the select all, select distinct, order by, and where. Okay, we have a database in SQLite. We have a table called friends, and we have some data with a name, a surname, and a score. So we can see there are 4 records, and if we use the select statement, we can say what column we want to see. So here we're going to do select name from friends. So we have a select is what we want to see, and we have from is the table name. We can add more columns, so we have select name and surname, and now once we action that SQL, you can see the results has the name and the surname that match the query. We also add score, and now we have the whole table. So we add select name, surname and score. Rather than type out all of the columns, we can use the asterisk for select all from friends. That selects everything from the table. Okay, next we have select surname from friends, and we can see we have 4 records: Smith, Smith, Brown and Thomas. But we don't need to see the Smith twice, so we're going to use the word distinct. So that gets rid of duplicates. So now when we see the results, we have the list of names Smith, Brown and Thomas, not repeated. We want to put these names in order, so we use the words order by, and then we're going to order them by surname. So here we have Brown, Smith and Thomas. Now they're in alphabetical order. If we want to reverse that, we use descending, D-E-S-C, for descending alphabet, or backwards if you like. We're going to go back to selecting all from friends. So now we can select by the surname, and you can see the results there. We use select and from, but also there's another term where. So we don't want to select every single record all of the time. So perhaps we want to just look at one record, or maybe a group of records. So here we're going to select everything from friends, but the surname is going to equal Smith. So we have 2 records. We have John Smith and Mark Smith's records. So we have select, from and where. Here we're going to, instead of using equal Smith, we're going to use the word like. Maybe we're not sure about the spelling. So here we can use the character percentage to use as the rest of the characters. So for example, like S and percentage will start with S, or B percentage start with B, or J percentage will start with J. You can use it the other way around, so you have the percentage side first, and then you're looking for strings that end with the characters that you put. So for example, we have HD, so we're going to select everything from friend where the name ends with HD, which is going to be John, and then ends with N, so that's going to be John and Alan's records. We can also do greater than, so for example the scores, if we want to see the scores that are greater than 50. Here we have the records, we have select all from friends, so we have all the record details where the record has a score over 50. And we want to put these in order, so the highest score first, so we order by score descending, so we start at the highest score descending down. The best way to learn SQL is through practice, so give it a go. Good luck and bye for now. Please don't forget to subscribe, and your comments are always welcome.